Let me share my screen. All right. Online team, can you hear me? I need one small response from anybody. So I'm waiting. Can somebody respond, please? Yeah, thank you. Thank you for your kind response. And let me create running notes for today. Can you please help me what we are going? We are running with what is the topic? Yeah, project discussion, I guess. Yeah, good, good. And running notes number, project discussion. We already started, I guess, right? We already started it. I just like to continue with the same. Let me just try to capture the application. Actually, we'll get an idea. So let's walk through the material. Let's take it out this. Once let me just try to walk through, then we can continue actually. Okay. Now the project is already prepared. Project is already what exactly, sir? Prepared. Pure Python code. You just need to walk through. So the code you need to walk through. Can I run the application meanwhile? Once let me run application. It's taking some little longer time. No, no, I'm not talking anything. Just I maintain silence for 30 seconds. Okay, cool. Meanwhile, it's okay. Sorry. Let us just try to walk through. There is a program name is called, seems to be very big application, but simple one file actually. And here there are some, though this one is a project, there are some folders would have, resource folder, icons folder, modes, next one will be the background. These are all images, man. These are all what exactly images. Based on requirement, we have accessed inside of this one. Okay. Now let me just try to open the project. We can walk through the project for today. You will get an idea. Okay, so I can walk through the steps. Yeah, so the application is ready. Now I hope even yesterday we done, and this is so called as a hand recognition. It is recognizing the hand actually. It is recognizing the hand. There is a one library name is called as a media pipe. What is that? Media. Did anyone install this? Is it running? It will run actually. If you're facing some compatible issue, I need to check what library, so what kind of version we are using. I need to check actually. Yeah, fine then. So you can just have to pass one. That's still okay. Second option too. Yes. Now the one is fine for me. It is nice, sir. Backend pure Python library. That's it actually. Yeah, exactly, sir. That validation really required actually. That validation really required. Okay. Now, so anyway, how it was implemented, I just need to walk through. You will get an idea. I just need to rerun one more time for your better understanding. Not immediately. Let's walk through the code. Sir, almost everything here implemented. You just need to walk through actually. The steps will be step number one, importing the libraries. We are going to starting the webcam and set dimension, height and width actually. And after that, load background image. We are loading the background image. For once we are loading the background image, and on top of that, we are setting images actually, mode images and icons. These are all we are setting. Okay. Now the later one will be initialize variables for hand gesture control. Best example, think like we are showing our hand and we are doing moving like this actually, but backend variables are handling those. Who is handling? Variable, kind of some selection, kind of some few variables we have again. Start the main loop. Yeah, so the main loop, when we started with the main loop, here we have stopped the session yesterday, I guess actually. Okay. The next one will be gesture recognition and selection. Once we started main loop, sir, what is the main motto? So the webcam is started and everything, every second base it is capturing the data like a frame actual. Just a recognition and selection. It's supposed to recognize the hand movement and it's supposed to recognize visual selection animation. What is that? Visual selection animation. Frankly speaking, libraries are really very good. Libraries are helping actually. Here your task. Pause for 1 second after selection. After selecting, it is passing for 1 second. 1 second and show selection icon at the bottom of screen. Yeah. And what is the last one, sir? Show the final image on screen. That's what these are all steps actually. Hope you know that. Now, can you help me importing the libraries? These are all libraries we have to install. I'm sure yesterday if you guys tried actually, it is running in your laptop. But if is it slow or else quick actually? Quick only, right? This laptop is slow, I guess. Sorry. Okay. Fine. Why these are all module? OS CV2. OS for seems to be you are loading the file CV2 computer vision 2, and there is a one class you are importing. There is a one class you are importing. More the next one, start webcam and set dimension. Yeah, so we are starting webcam and setting the dimension, height and width actually. And class, the whole line is object creation. Remember this object we are using. What is object name? CAP. Kind of some capture the video actually. The next one we are loading image. I hope you know how to load image actually. Right. So here, any idea? CV2 function. CV2 import CV2 and we are calling IM image read actually function calling assigning into variable. Here also everywhere written, sir. Yeah, good. The next one will be we are loading all mode images, and here it will be this list can contain all images with complete path. Complete. Whenever best example in my laptop, 4 drives. My wife asked actually, where is our marriage photos? My wife asked, where is our marriage photos actually? Then I should tell so and so D drive, so and so folder, so and so open actually. Open the folder, then you can see. Best example, whenever you are telling the images, you need to tell complete full path. Complete what exactly, sir? Full path. Otherwise, it takes a lot of time for searching actually, right? We are appending the path, the folder name we are side and though we are not using globe module here. If you are using globe module, like this, very simple. Just try to, this example, if you want, you can implement with object oriented globe module. A lot of enhancement you can do. If you understand this project actually, small changes we can apply. Instead of OS, I'm sure from here to here, if you are really very good in globe module actually, you can replace with the globe module this code actually. If you are able to do that changes, amazing. You will become automatically the developer actually. The next one, same thing like a mode images, how we have loaded. Then here we are loading what exactly, sir? We done this role, right? Yesterday we done, I guess. And the next one would be mode type. What is the next one, sir? Mode type. There are some few parameters actually. Mode type variable. Next one, selection variable. No selection initially. counter variable, selection speed, 3, 7, 15. And here you have given 7. This is average, and 15 means very speed, very fast, I guess, actually. Okay, we tried that one. Detect only one hand, because what exactly, maximum hand you are configuring here. This is kind of some detection. I'm sorry, what is that? Detection, not configuration. Detection confirmation. ఒక వేరియబుల్ ఉంటుంది సార్. Let's take this. 1 minute. Let me cross verify. First of all, it is a keyword argument. I wanted to know the full form of this. Let me cross verify. No need to remember. Just try to go to ChatGPT. Confidence, I'm sorry. Configuration, that word is coming, but that is not a configuration. Confidence, right? Shorts the detection confidence threshold, sets the minimum of confidence level. It floats the value 0 to 1.80. A higher level 0.8 means the detector will most strict. It will only report detected hand if at least 80% of the confident. What do you mean by confident? When you are showing your finger, confident, like this 90%, like this 80% actually. Your finger, how you are showing, that relate to the confident actually. Okay, good. Hope you understand, right? Like that. Do you wanted to understand any piece of code actually? Trust me, best tool is a ChatGPT. But when you are searching in ChatGPT, at least you should know what is this. If you know that, if you are searching, it will be helpful for you. If you even don't know what is this class and the whole line is object creation, if you are searching also, ChatGPT will respond, but no response from your side actually. You are getting, right? You cannot understand. Best example, do you wanted to learn ChatGPT? First of all, learn technology. Learn technology, then you will get an idea. The good news will be, recently I heard one news in Telangana, 6 to 10th class, 6 to 10th class, AI fundamentals they have introduced actually. AI fundamentals, not end to end actually. Now think about AI, how it is ruling actually. 6 to 10th class they are introducing. Not total syllabus, just a fundamental, like what is Python, what is pandas, these are all things actually. How I know, I know one friend. And he is working with the government projects, especially. He told. So that's what I came across. Yeah, fine. Back to the. That is still it is in discussion. Fine, then circle position of this is the circle positions, and there is a. I hope whenever you're running your application, first selection, second selection, third selection, X and Y axis actually. This is still okay. That you can counter pass for short time after selection actually, and store chosen icons for చెప్పండి sir selection list -1 -1 -1. So here especially your fingers position -1 -1, your 3 fingers didn't selected anything. You will get an idea. Hold on, here onwards I need to continue. Make a note on this one. Let's start. While true means by default start the application. By default start application, I mean to say while true in the sense application directly enter into the loop. Directly enter into what exactly, sir? Loop actually. This is something like go to home actually. Wi-Fi is always on. Wi-Fi is always on actually. While means true means, so the thing is always the loop will enter instead of true actually. When loop will terminate, if the condition result is the false, then loop will terminate. We'll see what is that scenario. That's what. Whenever you are closing yeah, whenever you are closing that button, it is not closing because of while true actual. While true, right? Forcefully we need to close the application. Okay. Now fine then. So these are all things. Let me just try to walk through one by one. Sir, simple cap is object, capture, video capture, and read is a method, and it is returning 2 variables. I hope I already told yesterday. Success variable, next one image. These 2 variables we have created. Data type is Boolean. What is the success actually? Boolean. True. We have seen yesterday. And image means array. Image means what? Array actually. Array. Array data is important. The next one would be, what is the next one, sir? Yeah. So by using detector, what is a detector actually? What is detector? Detector is an object by using the detector, you're calling a method name is called as a find hands. Find what exactly hands, and which is returning detect hand in the webcam frame and returns hand information image with what exactly, sir? Drawings. Okay, some hands it is returning, image also it is returning. Hands, maybe how many hands? I guess either one hand or a two hand, I guess actually. Do you want to know about this one? What we need to do? Print hands. That you need to do. Little R&D. I have a question for you. Method calling assigning into two variables. Why? Because a method can return two variables. Can I show you that example? Just 1 minute. Class, student, DEF, DEF M1, self, print of hello, return 10 comma 20. Yes, let me ask a question, sir. Can you help me? What is the class name? Student. What is the method name? M1. Having written, how many values it is returning? It is possible, sir. G. S equals to student. S equals to what exactly? Student. Now S dot M1 method. Now let's save this example. Demo1.py. Write the raw code always actual. Okay. Go to the desktop and Monday. I know it is not Monday today. Let's open Monday. Let's run this. Not required as per our requirement actually. Yeah, hello. Sir, but method having return statement, then method calling we need to assign into variable a comma b. That's still fine. A comma b. Now you can just have to print this, print of a, and you can just have to. That's what, sir. Be strong in fundamental. Mere fundamentals lo strong unte technology is very easy. Are you with me? Right. Now take the same line. Just you can add here actually. I'm sure that's what it is going to happen. Nothing. Find hands like a method M1. Detector just like an object like S. And this method of calling you are assigning into what exactly? Two variable, first one and the second one. And here also I'm assigning actually. That's it. Nothing is there. First what we need to do is understand what is the default construct in Python class. Underscore sir. Siddiq Sarji, valid point. Can I tell you? Imagine there is a constructor in my class, but still constructor is created in the backend. How we can see, dir of student actually. Student, you can just have to run this. Observe here. See, underscore init. Somewhere you can see. Ekkodo untundi, sir. Here you can see default constructor. Default constructor. Like a Java. In Java, if you didn't create a constructor, backend default constructor will create, right? Same feature in Python also. Okay. Any question? Let's move on. Good. Where are we? Daniel, this is Python. Sure, sir. Thank you. Let's move on. Okay. You need to connect like that, sir. I have a question for you. Yeah. Method assigning into two variable. Method assigning into again two variables actually. Then slowly you need to be understand what is this method, what is the purpose actually, and you can just have to walk through and you can easy to understand. Do you want to understand about more these methods actually? Check the documentation. Documentation also it will be helpful for you. But I cannot recommend go to the documentation. Go to the ChatGPT. Why? Because nowadays ChatGPT is making everything concise actually. That would be fine. Concise in the sense make it very short. Sir, this is kind of webcam image and background actually. So place webcam feed inside background image actually. So this is kind of some dimensions. Image background, go back, and here image background is nothing but an object, I guess actually. Image background is what? Any idea? Yeah, I'm sure you're loading image. You're loading what? On top of this image, you have to attach other images actually. You have to add other images. Control F. You can just try to how many times it is available. Oh my god, 8 times. Let us scroll down. I don't want to scroll down one by one. This is just a setting path, sir. This is just a setting path. Place webcam feed inside background. So if you closely observe this is the syntax we have to be. Oh, not here, Daniel. Take this one. and open background image actually. Did you notice or not, sir? Where webcam is coming in the given image? Yeah, with that black frame, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, here we are getting this image settings actually. That image settings, image background, these are all. This image we are setting here actually. So there are some settings. If you want, you can customize this one, you will get an idea. Why 139, 139, 48, and 50, 50. Use some chart GPT, you will get an idea. The next one, show current mode. Yeah, I hope you know. First one will be image, webcam actually. The next one is what exactly, sir? Mode images also we are setting. What we are setting? Mode images. Did you remember? List mode images actually. Did you remember or not, sir? Right. So you need to walk through. For this background image, two images we need to set. I'm sorry, the first one will be webcam we need to set. The next one, mode image we need to set actually. Okay. That setting is going to happen. It is a fixed. It never ever change actually. Yeah. Please focus on this. This step here we can walk through step by step actually. Step by step. Chappan sir. Gesture recognition and selection. Gesture recognition and selection. First of all, whenever you are showing your hand actually, it should recognize your hand, and what you are selecting, 1 2 3, it's supposed to select actually. If okay, there is a one condition. Can I minimize like this? We'll get a more clarity. Yeah, Daniel, you can minimize, please. Sure, I can minimize this, then we can close. Yeah, all right. Children sir, here we are. If hands and counter pass. And sir, we are checking two conditions. We are checking what exactly? Two conditions actually. Okay. How does the code talk to the hardware webcam actually? Did you miss yesterday's session? Did you miss yesterday's session, Siddiq Sarji? Yeah, I understand. Let me tell you, there is a one library. Library name is called as a CV2. Maybe yesterday, kindly please walk through yesterday recording session. If you have run the code just matter of 1 or 2 lines, automatically webcam, it will be enabled and it will be open automatically. That's the beauty. That's the beauty. But sorry for saying, in Java, this kind of support is a very, very too difficult actually. But in Python and CV2, it is very easy. Let's move on. Good. Chappan. One more time. One more time. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. But in this application, this one is a public application. But if you're trying to working this application in a office laptop actually, it will restrict the camera. It will restrict the camera actually. Yeah. It will ask, kindly please give me the permission. And if you have given permission, then only application will run. Otherwise, it will keep on retrying actually. Okay. It will come one pop-up, sir. If you're running this application in company, either yes or no. If you say yes, it will run the application. If you say no, application will be closed automatically. Okay. Yeah. Fine then. I have one small question for you. Can you talk with me? If hands, what is a hands, sir? What is hands actually? Okay, hands. We are getting this variable name. Now the next one will be counter pass. This one should be true. This one should be true. Then, yeah, counter pass equals to what exactly, sir? 0. What is a counter pass actually? Counter pass equals to, yeah, by default it is a 0. We have assigned with the 0. If both are true, and okay, so team, condition number 1. So first condition, second condition, third condition. What is this one is so called, compound condition. What condition, sir? Here you are using 3 conditions. And mode type also, what exactly, sir? Less than 3. What is a mode type actually? Go back. Mode type. Somewhere we have initialized actually. Mode type. You can kindly please observe here. Yeah. So 0, 1, 2. So third screen actually. Yeah. Step 1, step 2, step 3. You can just to pass through that. Daniel, if this is the true, then it will enter instead of this one. We'll see what code here would you have actually. The understanding of this project code, it takes some time for you. You need to walk through. Get the first detected hand. So simple, sir. Once we entered into here, it is selecting the first hand. Imagine suddenly you are showing 2 hands actually. It is recognizing. It is what, sir? Recognizing. Best example, either go to the cricket. it understand very clearly. Either it is a 4 or 6. Sometimes we are getting a confusion, right? What they will do? They will replay actually. Hand 1 equals to hands of 0. Great, sir. Hands may recognize two hands, but it is considering only one hand actually. This one, you try to print, sir. What is this hand? I mean to say, that's what I told actually. Here you need to be print. Yeah, index we are using. Either it is an array or list, we need to cross verify, right? We are assigning into hand 1. Now here onwards, I have to move with only hand 1 variable. Only hand 1 variable. Okay. Are you clear till now? So simple. Gesture recognition and selection. Hand 1 equals to hands of 0. Move to the next code actually. What is the next code, you know, sir? List of 5 values. 1 if finger is up. 0 if it is what exactly? Down. Okay, good. Hold on. Fingers equals to detector dot fingers up hands 1. Now if you're trying to printing these fingers, hold on, sir. Can I run the application? Oh, sir, application run chestan chudandi. You will get an idea. This step is little interesting. Thoroughly you need to walk through. Now read the theory one more time. You will get an idea. List of 5 values. We are going to create a one list. Why? Because this method is returning list actually. Total how many values chappandi? 5 values. Okay. If it is showing 1 finger up, we are going to play. If it is not, you know, if you're closing your hand like this, actually finger is what, sir? The value is the 0. Let us print here actually. Let us just have to come here. It is being getting running. It is taking some little longer time. Yo, you have to see. Then only you will get a clarity. Based on that, we are moving on actually. Thank God. My main motto will be, sir started, Sarji. Started. My hand actually. Did you notice all or 0? All or what, sir? 0. Let me show one finger. Did you notice? Second finger. Third one. Let me close. Now see the code. You will get a clarity. Code చూడండి ఒకసారి. 1. If total how many values? Why 5? Yeah, don't ask actually. 5 fingers. Okay, so I hope you understand this. I can close this. Why? Because if it is running keep on in the backend, system may cry actually. Good. I mean to say we have created a list. List contains total 5 values. If that 5 values we are handling based on if you are showing like this actually, you know, number 1 like that actually. Sir, now let's move on. Let's minimize this role. Understand one condition. You will get to know all other conditions actually. Good, all right. Make a note here actually. The point here it is. Check which gesture is shown and set collection. Okay. I'm sure. Can you talk with me? 0 means thumb. Very good. 1 means finger name want to? Index finger, I guess. What finger, sir? Index finger. Index finger. If you are showing like this condition is executing, sir. If you are showing like this condition is executing. If you are showing 2 fingers actually, how many fingers, sir? 2 fingers. Index plus what exactly, sir? Middle finger. This condition is executing. And the next one will be index plus middle one. Next one, ring. Okay. That's what you need to be understand. Nothing simple, sir. We have written 3 conditions. Condition number 1. Condition number 2. Condition number 3. I have a question for you. Let me ask you a question. What is fingers actually? Fingers and list. What is that? Where I have created actually, here I have created. Initially all are 0. All are what? Now it's a right time. Imagine from front end, if it is coming 1 actually like this, 1 it is coming. I need to capture that value. I need to apply condition actually. Index finger, this condition is executing. Index finger plus the next finger, this condition is executing. This one is executing. If nothing is select, what exactly? Else. That's it. Okay. Let us enable one by one. Online team, are you clear till now? I need one response from everybody. Let's move on. You guys need to spend some time. All right. Good. Very good, sir. Okay. If selection is not equal to 1, by default, what is the selection value? Any idea? -1. -1 means what exactly? No, you didn't select anything. But if you are selecting something like this, you have selected something. If you have selected something, it is not a -1. It is not, sir, -1. That's what yesterday variable, if you are able to understand, I'm repeating again. Selection by default -1, sir. -1 means you didn't select anything. Now you are showing your finger like this actually, then you have selected something actually, right? If selection is not equals to 1, Chapan sir, if selection is not equals to 1, let us enter enable actually, like that you need to be understand. What is the counter value? Counter equals to 1. Reset the counter if new selection equals to what exactly, sir? 1. You are showing your finger like this. Suddenly you are showing like this actually. Reset it actually, right? So counter equals to 1 and selection equals to finally what value, sir? 1 actually. Completely the total logic is here only. Just spend some time and try to understand. If you're able to understand this one, same thing next logic also, sir. Same actual. I have a question for you. Selection is not equals to 1. This one would be selection is not equals to 2. And the next one would be selection is not equals to 3. And finally you can set the selection as a 3 actually. Spend some time. And if nothing is selected actually, if nothing is selected, can you talk with me? Selection equals to -1. Why? Because you didn't selected anything, right? Let us reinitialize the same value. Selection equals to -1. Can I tell you where is the counter declared? Okay, sir. Good. Yesterday we covered counter declared here, Sirji. Yeah, see counter, selection, completely these variables we have to make a note first actually. We covered yesterday. Today discussion will be continuation of yesterday discussion. Here I have declared those variables actually. All right. Hope you understand. Almost we are playing with if and else conditions, man. Nothing is there. Where are we? Fine. This we already done. This one also we done actually. Now, yeah. Sir, if you want, I can explain one more time. If fingers 1 equals to, first of all, list we are comparing with another list actually. List we are comparing with what, sir? Another list. This is okay. Index finger only. If you want, what we can do, you can just have to create a separate list actually. మీరు చూడండి ఇలా కూడా create చేయండి possibility మీకు if you want actually. So 1 0 1 0 0 అంతే కదా. Let's take this. Compare, you will get an idea. Did you understand? I mean, if you show your finger like this, then we need to match actually that condition. Are you with me or not, sir? Good. Now you talk with me. Then you talk with me. Here what I need to replace? Very good. Then that elif condition. What condition, sir? Elif condition. Hope you understand. Okay, simple. Imagine if it is matching, then we need to check one more condition. Once you are selecting immediately, we should not assign actually. So check one more condition. Selection also should not be what exactly? 1. I mean to say, go for the selection. Selection by default value is what exactly, sir? -1. -1. That value should not be 1 actually. Go back to the selection and cross verify. Then reset the counter if new selection actually. So here we are giving some time. And in between, if you're trying to changing the value, we are resetting the value. So play with this logic, you will get to know. I'm sure if condition, elif condition, and at the same time elif condition actually, 3 conditions. If nothing is matching, selection equals to -1. Back to same variables actually, same variables. Okay. What you can do, మీరు ఏం చేయాలో తెలుసా? If you want, instead of this one, you have to print fingers you have to print actually for your better understanding. Instead of this one, చెప్పండి sir, what you need to print actually చెప్తారా? Selection you need to print if you want more clarity. Like that, you have to check each and every variable value, you will get a clarity. Then you will get a clarity. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Okay. Hope you understand. Where are we? Yeah. Hold on. Counter value we have already declared above actually. You need to cross verify. Okay. Team, this logic will be completely kind of some predefined. But anyway, I can still explain actually. Please walk through. Okay. So this would be fine. Minimize this. Please understand. Good. Can you talk with me step? Visual selection animation. If counter value, what exactly sir? Greater than 0. Counter value greater than 0, then this logic is being getting executing. Any idea what it mean actually? Din ardham ento telusa? Incrementing operator. What operator? Incrementing. Counter equals to counter plus 1. Counter equals to counter plus 1. If counter value is greater than 0, counter equals to counter plus 1, then you can kindly please observe here. Draw animated eclipse showing progress actually. Did you notice whenever you are installing some application, it will show some kind of some progress bar. It will show some kind of what exactly? That progress bar, you know, in CV2, there is a one function name is called as the eclipse. I'm sorry, ellipse. What is that? Ellipse. It is having some parameter. You no need to be understand these are all parameters actually, but remember this one. Do you need progress bar actually? You need to call function name is called as the ellipse. What is that? Ellipse actually, but it is having some parameter. Even you know need to be understand image background, mode positions, 103 kind of these are all value. Daniel, is it required actually? No. During interview or else no one will not focus actually, but that function name is important. I wanted to initialize the progress bar. What is the function name? Ellipse. Remember that. That's fine actually. The next one. If ellipse is full, sir, let me tell you, ellipse having the conditions, I mean to say either it is off filled actually or else completely filled actually. If completely filled, something like a 360 degrees, then confirm selection. Confirm what? Selection. Can I talk with you? Play with application, you will get to know. I request you play with application. It won't take much time now. Yeah. Now I'm talking about this. I wanted progress bar actually. What is the function name? Ellipse, right? Now let me just try to show it like this. Sir, look at that. See, that is so called as a progress bar. It is not completely filled actually. Just try to stop. If you want, you can stop in between, right? When the selection is supposed to be done actually, if completely filled, what exactly sir filled, then the selection is over. It's supposed to select automatically. It's supposed to select what sir? Automatically. Now hold on. Yeah, Daniel. If ellipse is full means what? 360 degrees, confirm selection. If counter into what exactly sir? Selection speed and greater than what exactly? 360. We did some little calculation actually. Yeah. So again, this is something like a store selection. We are changing the image mode actually. Mode type, counter value, selection value, counter pause actually. These are all reset counter, reset selection, start pause actually. So simple. Once the circle is completely filled actually, we are resetting the values. We are what sir? Resetting the values. Okay. This one is one condition. The next one will be, so step 10, pause 1 for a second after selection actually. If counter pause equals to greater than 0, counter plus, any idea what is this one again? Increment operator actually. If counter pause greater than 60, roughly 1 second. So since what exactly wait key is used actually. So don't worry. We are just waiting for 60 seconds actually. You need to be understand. And so fine sir. Show selected icons at the bottom of the screen actually. Did you notice? Once you are selected all options actually, at bottom we are showing If selection list is the 0 is not equals to -1, and I hope you already know it should not be -1. It should be some value actually. Then we are setting that images. We are setting that images actually. First icon we are setting, and this one would be second icon. These are all some configuration values, sir. Don't worry about this. These are all kind of some configuration values. That's what you need to be understand. I know the last code is not that much important. Not that much important in the sense, you don't need to implement from scratch. Even you can just try to walk through the documentation. You can get these are all things actually. But let me tell you, you may not get the chance to implement with the same project in a company. Hey, can you please implement kind of some video analysis actually? Definitely in a documentation you can find respect to code actually. But one thing I can say, pure Python code, sir. What code actually? If we spend some time, kind of some conditions we are using, flow control we are using, functions we are using, that's what we are using actually. Okay. So show the final image on the screen. So CV2, yeah, this one is the final image actually, and wait key, refresh every millisecond. Very good. Refresh every millisecond. That's what you need to be understand this project. Just code walkthrough I done actually. You need to spend some time to understand the whole project. That's what you need to be understand. You can go back. Oh, my system got stuck, sir. Hold on. Let me rerun one more time. I'm sorry. Okay. Sir, can you help me? Can you help me? What are all we done actually? What are all we done? We done till now. Till now, I need a response from you. First one we started with data science fundamentals. It's a right time. Let me list out actually. Second one, what we started? Come again? No. Python. Python. Am I right? Python programming language. The next one, pandas. When I say pandas, data analysis. Now the fourth one, EDA project. And here EDA project. One we done, I guess I have given assignment actually. Am I right? Assignment, maybe one or two I have given. Fifth one, good, I remembered actually. Data visualization. We done data visualization with part 1 and part 2. Yeah, this really matter. Data visualization. Part 2 actually. Is it okay? Part 2. Part 2. Can I add here Power BI? Why? Because data visualization, right? Just the fundamentals. We are not done end to end, not required actually. Fundamentals. Fundamentals. Next one after data visualization. Come again. I hope NumPy, I guess actually. NumPy library I have covered. After this one, no, sir. I still remember generally after data visualization, I will cover maths, I guess actually. Maths I will cover. Yeah. I know actually. Then the next one would be kind of some NumPy. Otherwise, the next one would be feature engineering. Feature engineering part 1. The next one, feature engineering part 2. Part 2 we done. And the next topic would be machine learning. Here we spend really nice time actually. 13th topic will be deep learning. Deep learning. 14th topic will be NLP we done. And 15th topic will be kind of some in deep learning computer vision also we have seen. It's okay. Let us just set to list out. It might be helpful for you. But in between, we done some few projects actually. 16 Ecom Vision project. Are we done? Yeah, Ecom Vision we done actually. The next one, sir. 17 purchase intention model also we done. Purchase intention model also we done actually. Okay. Now the next one will be. Did I miss anything? Database. Are we done? Database. Kind of some MySQL actually. MySQL. And did I miss anything? Emana miss chesana? Which one? Yeah, good, Sarji. Model deployment. Model deployment actually. Any other thing? Which one? Okay. So kind of some small use cases we done. Use case we done actually. Extract text from video. Yeah, video. Extracting text from single video. The next one, extracting use case. The next one would be extract text from multiple videos. What video? Multiple videos actually. This one also we done. Next one. Any response? Order coffee. Okay, that's still okay. Order coffee. Just focus on running the application. Focus on running application. Uh, all right, sir. Now let me tell you. Just wanted to ask. Out of all discussion, the conclusion will be which topic is important. Which topic is important? Let me tell you. First one, Python is important, sir. Without Python, even just previously, before writing this whole thing, we have used conditions, we have used keywords actually, functions, class, object, we have used actually. The day one onwards, my main motto will be strong in Python, right? And the next one would be, Daniel, I am planning to prepare for job actually. Pandas you have to be master. Third one will be machine learning you have to be master. Fourth one will be advanced topics, especially Gen AI. When I'm talking about the Gen AI, especially these topics are important, sir. What are topics important? Vector database, RAG, LLM. These two topics, if you have included in your resume, you will be awesome actually. Maybe did you remember there was one workshop also I have covered AI agents actually? Okay, fine then, right. Sir, these topics I will cover during weekend actually. I will cover what exactly during weekend. During what exactly, sir? Weekend. I need kind request from you. Can you tell me when we started this? When we started? November? Okay, good. Why you guys are laughing? 2023, yeah? Just kidding, sir. 2024. All right, Daniel. November. After November, December. Daniel, 1 month actually. January, 2 months. February, 3 months over. March, 4 months over. April, 5 months over. And May, 6 months over actually. What exactly, sir? 6 months over. 6 months over. And currently we are running with what exactly? Yeah. Let me tell you, we have traveled half of the year. Half year we travel actually. Half year we travel. Let me tell you, this is not a joke actually. 6 months we traveled. I'm sure who are all with us today, may God bless you, you will definitely get a job, sir. Why? Because who really need a job, they can stay till last sessions actually. Till last session, right? There was one more question. Let me look into that. Chodhan Chudan, sir, what is that question? Sir, you are taking Python whoops concept like inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. JS, sir. Interview preparation also I can take. Don't worry, I can take. Okay. Now it's the right time I wanted to ask one question, sir. One question. No. I'm not closing the session, but I need a response from you. These topics, maybe I can give tomorrow the timeline. This week only. For other batch, these topics are running. I will help you with the recorded session. Otherwise, I can set weekend sessions for you to understand. Python, Pandas, ML, these are all advanced topics. What is the first one? Vector database. Excellent material is ready. The next one is so called as a RAG. Next one, LLM actually. These topics are nowadays it is booming up like anything actually, right? We'll have a separate sessions for interview sessions actually. Yeah, yes sir, during weekend. How much syllabus is remaining actually? Sanjay Sarji, only this is the topics. As per promised actually, these topics are pending actually. This I can take during weekend actually, okay? Hope you understand. Now, it's the right time I just wanted to ask. How about the session, sir? But let me tell you, during demo, how many months I told actually? How many months I told? I told 4 months actually. Sir, frankly speaking, not possible. This is not C programming language, HTML, too close within the, uh, tomorrow also we have a class. Tomorrow we have a class. Tomorrow we have a class. We have a class. From day after, let me think. Let me just have to think actually, and I can update. So don't worry on this. Okay. One more point. Did I make you to feel bored actually during the session? And one more point. Our session specialty will be I talk with material. I talk with what? Without material, I didn't even deliver the session, either you notice or not actually. Why I'm giving this material, this material is the point of reference. Best example you can't believe. Um, very in the year of 2018, 2019, those students they are calling and they're telling, sir, I lost your material. I kept in Google Drive and here and there I lost your material. Can you resend the material? I mean, so they're asking in such a way that. Why? Because our material is, trust me, awesome. Of course, I have created from basic to till advanced actually. This you have to by heart like anything. That's what I need to be understand actually. Right? I wanted to convey this one. How about our sessions? Can I get one small response? Did you understand? Okay. So online team, what about you? I'm sorry, sir. Did I hurt anyone? No response from anybody? Yeah, Govinda Sarji. I have that plan. I have that plan. Okay, I need to create. I already have some zip files actually. I will directly share. Okay, Karthik Sarji, enjoyed learning process. Can you tell me my keywords actually? Throughout the session, what all keywords I used to use? Course మొత్తం మీద నేమే యూస్ చేశాను చెప్పండి. First one, practice. Next one, revision. Okay, next one. Ayo, what is that? Keyword augment. Next one, my favorite syntax. Daniel 16, online team. Daniel, oh, is it? Daniel 16 actually, 16 years. Any other keywords? Am I audible actually? Online team, can you hear me? Am I audible? Okay. Sorry for getting. Come again, which one, sir? Can I drink water? Sir, you targeted me, right? The next one, tomorrow we have important session. Don't miss it. Every day I will tell this actually. Online team. Very nice, man. Please, Sarji. Tomorrow we have important session. Don't miss actually. Online team, one response. Okay. Really very good, Sarji. Good. But let me tell you one thing. I love teaching, sir. I like teaching very well, and teaching is my passion. So, frankly speaking, did you notice at least one time I explained the topics very speed in such a way that I need to close the syllabus actually? No, no, no. I never, not even one time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh, i- if you want, you can walk through our session without telling a kind of some written keyword, function, method, no session actually. Every day, my main motto will be that is kind of, sir, there is a function, there is a method. Even you need to focus on that actually. Tomorrow, you guys are youngsters. Once you are going to joining in a company, in your company, what you have to be understand, sir. Once the project is implemented actually, otherwise implemented project you are going to joining in between, please be focused on function, class, method, object. These are all discussion you have to be focused actually. Okay, this one let me tell you. Sir, it's a simple. So from Naresh Hetty, so Naresh Hetty, you guys can drop a mail, drop a mail, drop a mail, drop a mail. That mail, drop a mail to. Um, 1 minute, I will share the mail ID. You guys can drop, nothing is wrong. I will tell you the subject also. Then you will get automatically. Yeah, the mail ID should be support@nareshit.com. nareshit.com actually. Your subject should be data science, full stack data science and AI, data science and AI certificate, certificate actually. Certificate, and you can just have to share you have to tell your ID code, I guess. ID code, I hope. I'm not sure either ID code or roll number. Yeah, ID card you have to share to them, sir, not to me. Especially how to drop a mail. Maybe within 2 days you will get a within 2 days. The moment once you send within 2 days, you will get certificate actually. You will get what exactly certificate. If especially anyone is fresher, it will be really helpful for you. It will be really helpful for you. Now, why these are all discussion, Daniel, actually? Are you, sir, online team? Don't you have idea these are all things actually? Then I need to talk with admin. Roll number or ID? ID code I didn't see. Which one? Hmm? Okay. At narrated, they will give roll number, I guess, actually. I am not sure. Joshi Sarji, let me check with admin. I don't have any ID code actually. No, 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 no. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. That is ID? It's okay, sir. It's okay. You specify your mail ID. You specify your mail ID. They will check in the database. They will check in what, sir? Database actually. Karthik, sir, same. Same thing actually. Okay. Now, what is the tomorrow session? What is the Sir, that's what, sir. Maybe while you are joining the course, you have given your registered mail ID, right? You have given your registered mail ID, right? Registered mail ID and mobile number. You can just have to specify that. I'm sure they can check in the database. See, why your ID and mobile number, they need to check either you are from Naresh Shetty or not actually. That validation is required, right? That validation is required. That's what you need to be understand. Sir, tomorrow session, resume explanation I will give. Resume preparation especially for the first one will be freshers, the next one will be experienced actually. What is that? Experienced actually. And maybe did you uploaded interview questions material? um, i have I have regular one, but currently I'm updating actually. I will share updating one later. I request you hold on. Online team, let me talk with you for both online and offline. So time same certificate will give actually. Sanjay Sarji, when they are giving certificate, they never specify either you are online or offline actually. They will specify Naresh Shetty, that's it. Sanjay Sargaru. Sir, did you understand Sanjay? Yeah, okay, okay. So I wanted to hear from you. So did you learn something actually at least? Hmm? Which topic you like out of all discussion? You should say Python. Otherwise, I will feel so sad actually. మీరు Python చెప్పాలి. Sir, let me tell you. We have given the best subject actually. I'm not sure, JSRG, up to you. Up to you. Anytime you can send actually. After 1 month, after 2 months, or else today also you can send this mail. Naresh Shetty admin team, they will respond in the backend. Naresh Shetty admin team, they will respond actually. They will respond. Okay. If anyone is planning to add an experience, maybe this certificate is not required. But if you want, we can just have to get it this. That's still okay. Okay. I have started every topic from the scratch, sir. Can I tell you one small point today? If you are strong in Python and Pandas, let me tell you, 70% of the any project you can understand. 70% of any project you can understand actually. Now, what I wanted to tell you, in your time, best example, sir. Do you wanted to start giving interviews? Start giving what exactly, sir? Interviews. I recommend you at least minimum spend 10 days for preparation. 10 days for what exactly, sir? Preparation. Without preparation, don't go for interview. I request you. Why? Because if you don't have a preparation, if you are going for interview, even you can unable to deliver Python definition also. What is that? Python definition. But if you know, if you prepared very well, you can answer, out of 10, if you are able to manage 7 courses, that is still fun actually. No one never expect 10 out of 10 actually. 10 out of 10, no one expect actually. Okay. The next one will be resume preparation. This is really matter. This I can help you. I'm repeating everyone online team. Resume preparation, I can help you. So kind of some unique preparation. Third point will be anyone planning to add an experience. Anyone planning to add an experience. Planning to add an experience. But anyway, I no need to ask this one. If anyone having gap actually, that's okay. That's okay. The same statement during the demo I told actually. We can add an experience and we can try. And add an experience and what exactly you can try. Yeah, that's okay. You can try. But let me tell you, if anyone having either 1 year gap or 2 years gap, let me tell you, TCS or Infosys, Tech Mahindra, all top MNC companies allows till 2 years as a fresher only. I mean, 2 years gap is officially allowed actually. Officially they will allow. Oh, that's okay. Even they know the process. So maybe, yeah, all MNCs, sir. Trust me. One of the student, he got a job. After his graduation, 18th month, he got a job actually. 18th month, right? After 1 year, 6 months, sir. That is possible. That is possible. Both you can try parallelly, sir. Either internship or, so the next one, job also. However way I can find. So I came across nowadays, mostly on LinkedIn actually, you have to keep on trying. What is this? Conducted a screening test in March previously. Sir, I didn't conduct it, Narish IT. So we can attend the test again after completing our course actually. Maybe I'm sure here and there, maybe every 2 months they are going to conduct the test. Every 2 months. Which one? Oh, yeah, yeah. They will conduct, sir. They will conduct. And at Narish IT, startup companies are also they are inviting. At Narish IT, startup companies also they are inviting. They are inviting. Okay. Now, can I talk with you? How sessions went, boss? Good, right? You're from Nandigama. You're ma'am? Karnataka, I guess. You're ma'am? East Godavari. Where location? Karnool. Good. Which one? Tanduku. Okay, okay, ma'am. All right. Karnataka. Bapatla. Sir, local. Local, actually. Okay, 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 okay. Online team? I just wanted to talk with you, sir. Let me start recording also. How are you and what are you doing? Maybe tomorrow, advanced sessions I can take during weekend actually. I can update you the same. I hope 1 minute. Now let me continue. Don't miss tomorrow's session. Tomorrow I will take kind of some, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow also. We'll see accordingly based on based on time. And I can take fresher and experienced resume explanation so that you will get a clear picture what to specify, what not to specify. And then we have interview material kit also. I can upload that one. You will get an idea. All right, maybe that uploading material, everything I can take care tomorrow actually. The few words from my side. Subject matters actually. What matters? Wherever you are. Do you know any companies who can verify experience actually? Mm, I don't have any company, sir. But our old students they tried. Our old students they tried. The success ratio of my old students. Imagine if there are some 10 members. Out of 10 members, they're having some kind of some 8 members are gap actually. I'm sure 8 out of 8 they're getting actually. I can give that guarantee. Okay. Okay. Based on the course, how much you lent actually, what you can do, minimum 3 years of experience we can add. I'm sure we can add actually. But if you're adding 3 years of experience, still company will consider you are just like a fresher actually. You're just like what exactly, sir? Fresher only, right? Sir, can you tell me one course, starting date and ending date actually? Seriously? Cross verify, sir. Cross verify actually. Sir, how you bear with me? Did you enjoy all sessions? Okay. Now can I talk with Sanjay Sarji? You can attend. Who are all online team? Okay, who are all joined online team? Can I talk with you? Aditya Sarji, Bhavita Garu, Mohammed Sir, uh, Gri, sorry, Prasanna Boss, Rishi, Haider Sir, Karthik, Jalal, Jayesh, Geetika Boss, Joshi Sir, Siddiq Sarji, Nageswara Sir, and Nityanand, Muhammad Sarji. Okay, good. Somi Garu, Uma Devi, Srinath Raj. Good, sir. All right, we'll connect again tomorrow. So don't miss tomorrow's session. But tomorrow, a kind of some resume preparation and interview tips also. So during interview, so how I can take care, and these are all things I can cover tomorrow. Fine, then we done today's session. We'll connect again tomorrow. Sir, check with admin. I'm sorry, when the screening test, I'm not sure. Check with admin. Admin will be helpful. But I heard like in June. In June, but see, Google Classroom is the point of contact. All Naresh IT updates you can get from Google Classroom. All Naresh IT updates you can get from Google Classroom. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. We done today's session. We done today's session, and I hope let me upload this material actually. No. Google Classroom is the permanent point of contact for both of us actually. Rishi sir, thank you. Thank you for your kind words actually. Joshi sir, tomorrow I can share. We have a time for tomorrow also. I can share tomorrow. Let me upload this. Trust me, you got the best subject. No doubt in that. Nageswara Sarji, thank you. Let me tell you the deep learning, the way how I explain, no one ever, sir. Thank you, sir. I know you're working employee, you can sense the deep learning stuff actually. This is really great comment for me. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Okay, I hope you guys are having my point of contact, right? And let me share again tomorrow. Good, sir. Good. I'm just trying to. I'm sorry, I should not reveal my password. Mhm. All right. I hope I need to upload here. That's it. All right. We'll connect again tomorrow. Thank you for joining today's session.